Hello everyone, I'm Monika Yadav and welcome to Business Unboxed. Today we are going to discuss a crucial topic that often gets overlooked: estate planning and trusts. Let's delve into why these are essential for safeguarding your assets and securing your family's future. A lawyer recently shared with me the account of her client who found himself ensnared in complex litigations that posed a significant threat to his financial stability. His spouse was entangled in a lawsuit concerning a personal guarantee while his children were navigating through challenging divorce proceedings. Amidst these legal battles, he grew increasingly concerned about safeguarding his hard-earned assets. This real-life example vividly illustrates the critical importance of estate planning and trusts. By taking proactive steps and setting up a trust early on, he was able to shield his assets from the legal risk posed by divorce or lawsuits, ensuring a seamless transition of wealth to future generations. Experts emphasize that growing wealth should go hand in hand with estate planning to preserve it effectively. Successful businessmen have utilized family trust to secure their futures, teaching us that the right time for estate planning is now. Even young entrepreneurs are recognizing the importance of estate planning amidst the rising number of startups. Risks and reward in startups are quite high, and therefore promoters are concerned about putting all their eggs in one basket. Many amongst them have set up private trusts to mitigate this risk and safeguard their personal wealth from future business uncertainties. Now let's delve into a detailed understanding of estate planning. It is the process of arranging for the management and distribution of an individual's assets after their death. It involves creating legal documents such as wills, trusts, and powers of attorney to ensure that a person's wishes regarding their property, finances, and health care are honored. It helps minimize taxes, avoid probate, and provide for loved ones while also addressing issues like guardianship for minor children. An estate can comprise various assets, including real estate such as houses, vehicles, stocks, artworks, collectibles, life insurance policies, pension plans, gold, and even debts. Essentially, it encompasses all the financial and physical assets that an individual owns. Some of the steps in estate planning include listing assets and debts, reviewing accounts, and writing a will. Now let's understand in detail the three important components of estate planning. A will serves as the foundational document that outlines how a person's assets and responsibilities will be handled after their death. It allows individuals to specify beneficiaries, appoint guardians for minor children, and designate executors to manage the estate. A trust is a way to manage and protect your assets for someone else's benefit. It is created when you write a document that names a trustee, either an individual, family, or friend, or a professional entity, bank, or a trust company who will handle the assets and ensure they are managed according to your wishes. A power of attorney is a legal document that allows an individual, the principal, to authorize another person, the agent or attorney in fact, to make decisions on their behalf. This can include financial, medical, or legal matters. The power of attorney can be effective immediately or become effective only upon the principal's incapacitation. It ensures that someone trusted can manage the principal's affairs if they are unable to do themselves, which is crucial for effective estate planning and ensuring that wishes are respected. People generally make the will and forget about it. In situations where a person may have acquired properties after the creation of the will, if the will is not updated, the inheritance of such assets may become challenging. Proof of medical fitness of the testator should always be there when the testator is aged and writing the will. This would show that the testator was medically fit and of sound mind when he was drafting the will. Formation of trust is a complex and comprehensive process. One must always consult experienced professionals. If the purpose of the trust, appointment of trustee, revocation of trustee, roles of trustee, etc. are not clearly defined in the trust deed, the governance of a trust becomes very difficult. Also, forming a trust is an expensive process, so all costs related to it should be understood in depth beforehand. Even the different tax implications that the trust could be subject to should be known beforehand. One common misconception about trusts and succession planning is that they are only necessary for the wealthy. Trusts and succession planning are valuable tools for individuals at various income levels to protect and manage their assets, ensure smooth asset transfer, minimize taxes, and maintain control over their estate distribution. Also, these are often seen as taking away self-control and giving control to future generations. However, one of the prominent reasons to undertake estate planning is to have the freedom to do as you wish and give legal authority to your preferences, which the in-estate rules may not provide for. A private trust can be structured in a way that the settler or entrepreneur retains control over the assets during their lifetime. Another misconception that some individuals have is that private trust should only be created by the elderly, which is also incorrect. It is important for people of any age group who have created wealth to preserve it and have a sound succession plan in place. Another misconception is that insurance can replace succession planning. In reality, insurance serves a different purpose. While it indemnifies losses, succession planning is focused on preserving wealth for future generations. In conclusion, estate planning and trusts are vital tools for securing your legacy and ensuring your wishes are honored. Whether you are a young entrepreneur or a seasoned professional, it is never too early to start planning for the future. Consult experienced professionals, understand the process thoroughly, and take control of your financial future today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.